Shall I go away?
No, you can stay here. You can watch.
Okay.
You might as well.
No, it's okay. You can surprise me.
No, I don't know. You know, I grew this beard 26 years ago after I left a company that I founded, and I never planned to shave it off. Well, I lost this piece right before my car accident. Made a mistake with the razor and it had to come off, but I left the goatee. Well, I've grown kind of fond of it, but it's got to go. We've had one case of the nasty virus here in town. That's okay. I was going to shave it for that purpose, but I have to go down to Scottsdale next week for a doctor's appointment. I don't know this doctor. I've never been to that location before. I'm a little nervous about that because I don't like going to places where I'm going to see a doctor and I don't have a chance to really get some background and know what they're about and so on. This guy, and we'll find out. Anyway, well, here it goes. Well, it's all gone. I'll shave after I take my shower, get Irene to straighten out the mustache. I have to check the mask I'm going to wear to make sure that everything seals up correctly. I'm going to wear an N95 mask because that's what we have from Irene's business. She carves stone, and when you do that, you need to have good particle protection. Well, thanks for watching. We'll talk with you later. Bye. Okay.